Oh my goodness, honey, stop the car. Look at this beautiful 2-story home behind me. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look at this thing, look at the curb appeal. We're in Clubhouse Hills. This is the Rhi Model, not remodel, the Rhi, okay? I'm gonna let you look that up, R-H-I, but look at the curb appeal this thing has. Oh my goodness, you're talking about a practical floor plan, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. This is a sweet home. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. I don't get too excited about different homes, but this one right here just has really grabbed me. First of all, you just gotta admit, this home grabs your attention with this gorgeous elevation. Not to mention the deluxe landscape package. Wait till you see the floor plan. Over 3,000 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Talk about a practical floor plan and layout and design for a family. This one has it. Clubhouse Road in Clubhouse Hills. And we're gonna take a look at this. Gated community, fantastic location, built by none other than Mr. Mark Hulbert Homes. Beautiful paver driveway. This one's got some really nice upgrades. And of course, because it's maxed out, because it's a Hulbert home, and it is built by an amazing builder and a great project manager. So, like, first of all, notice the pavers. These are the larger pavers, and this sidewalk walking up it. Noticed it the other day whenever I took a look at it mid-construction, is that this is a wider sidewalk, so really nice. Did a fantastic job with the landscaping. Let's back up a little bit here so we can see. But when you first walk up, the sidewalk is really wide the whole way up. So this one's got really nice neutral paint. It's got the green, kind of a modern green door. Let's take a look as soon as you walk in. Boy, it feels good in here on a nice toasty September day. Notice the beautiful wood floors. These are real wood floors. So this is a office or study. Now it does have a closet. We're not going to count this as a bedroom because there's no doors here to close off. Perfect office because you're going to have lots of natural light. You could park your desk right in here and overlook the front yard area. Crown molding. Everything's brand new, 1 year builder warranty on the market ready home. So we're gonna come back and look at the other part in a minute, but check out the main room. Look at this, is that gorgeous? We're gonna see that kitchen closer in a minute. You can see all the wood floors run everywhere. Crown molding, this is a big area here. You can put your dining room or your nook table, if you will. Tray ceilings, pre-wired for speakers up there. There's 2 plates. French doors. But this kitchen is really put together very well. So let's back it up and let's go this way. When you first walk in, this way you've got the separate fridge and freezer. By the way, if you haven't seen one of these are beautiful. So this is just a refrigerator. Okay, this is a really upper end, high end by Frigidaire. And it's all stainless in here. You can say it's gorgeous. I'm not trying to sell you a fridge, but I'll tell you, this is a huge fridge. And then this is a separate freezer. Feels pretty good. Soft freeze, not sure what that means, but ice maker, plenty of shelving. Really nice. And they close, by the way, I don't know if you can tell, but you can just kind of push them and they close nice and easy. Okay, spent too much time on the fridge, but it's pretty cool. All right, look, so a couple things. I have not seen Hulbert do this a lot on their homes. It's been a while, but these cabinets are gorgeous with these, what is it, like a brushed gold? So tastefully put together. And I've seen this a few times. This quartz is just so nice and neutral. Love the veins running through it. And of course the different colors. You got the black over here. You've got the, I'll say tan light brown, whatever you want to say, cabinets over here. Dishwasher, farm sink, nice and open. Built-in microwave. Convection oven, by the way, and then a top here, and then the cool backsplash, which is really nice. But I need to feature this this pantry before I do. I'm gonna keep the light on because you need to get the full effect. Look at this pantry. Look at this. That is, yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a quartz countertop in the pantry. This is all custom built. Put your paper towels, put your canned goods, and then these are all custom built again, wood shelving. Beautiful pantry. I mean, that's massive. That's like a closet. That is literally like a walk-in closet, if you will, for food storage. So, but this home is 5-bedroom, 4.5 baths. So there's gonna be a lot of people here that are eating. So you're gonna have plenty of room for food storage. Okay, a couple more things. Room to put some bar stools in here. Get the bar stools up. So you get a good idea. So let's look at, so down here is the master bedroom, the primary suite. Okay, everything else is upstairs. Let's go to the master bedroom first before we head upstairs. Nice size master bedroom. French doors leading into one of the greatest lanais I've seen off a master bedroom in a long time. We built one of these over in the Lake Hollingsworth area over off Derbyshire. It's a modified version of it. This one's a little bit different, but so there's not a lot of these floor plans built, the Rhi, R-H-I. But look at the beautiful framed mirrors. Tell me what your favorite feature is so far. Comment below. Here's that counter again. Love the black low-end sinks, or fixtures, I should say. This is all ceramic tile. And then right behind you, you've got the soaker tub. Put a nice blind there or shutter. And then nice heavy door. How about that flooring? It's so cool looking. And then even a La Stella going straight up here. You see this? Let me get a little bit closer. It's really pretty. It goes all the way to the ceiling. And then you have plenty of room for your soap, your razors, and what have you. Okay. Here is the toilet room area. Okay, private door there for privacy. And nice size walk-in closet. This is all the deluxe shelving. This is really nice. So this will hold a lot, and you got all the way here, and it goes this way. So plenty of closet room, and then let's head over here. So this is one of the really cool things off this master bedroom is, got a gentleman out here painting, so I'm gonna have to try to stay out of his way. So this is a massive lanai. You can see this. Look at the size of this. This lanai is off of the master. You can also access, I'll show you the part of it, off the main living room. But you've got over here, all pavers, mini fridge, sink, put you a big screen up here. There's the French doors we just came out of. Don't you love the color tone? You could screen this in if you wanted to. This is all under truss. This is not an add-on. Landscaping, and then this is the way you can get to the living room. So that's right off the main room. So you could come right off there. You could always extend it over if you wanted to, but you know what? You and your sweetie get this huge, nice little area, privacy, right off the master bedroom. It's a pretty cool feature right there. I hope you're enjoying this video. I'm enjoying the walkthrough. This is a really cool house. All right, so let's head over this way. And before we go upstairs, closet underneath the stairs, it goes way back there. A couple things, nice mud bench. And then here's your guest bath. So this is your half bath, or your powder room, your guest bath, your area where they can come and they don't have to go in somebody's bedroom or walk in, you know, kids got stuff all over the place. And then usually we don't show off garages, but this one is worthy to show off because it's a huge 3-car side entry. And look at these garage doors, the way they have the panels, which is really, really cool. Openers. You've got the nice flooring, the epoxy flooring, turned out beautiful. Double water heater, because you do have so many bathrooms in this home. So you've got 2 water heaters. It's buy one, get one free is what you get with this home. It's not a bad thing. BOGO on water heaters here with Hulbert. All right, so let's head upstairs. Now, I want to point out again, this is real wood. This is real wood. And these little lights, they pop on. Now, I haven't figured out if it's a motion thing or if they stay on for a certain period. I played with this. There they go. I would just buy this home just for the lights that go upstairs. I don't know about you. Oh, they went off. There's a little trick to that, and I haven't figured that out yet. But nonetheless, let's head up here. Landing spot here. So up here is 4 bedroom, 3 bath. 4 bedroom, 3 bath. And just so you can get your barometer straight when you go up the stairs, there's a ensuite. There's an ensuite, laundry room. This is a bedroom. There's a Jack and Jill bath, which we're gonna see, that connects with this bedroom. So bedroom, Jack and Jill suite, bedroom, and then the 2 en-suites, okay? So going back up, the idea of this is to first of all get my breath, okay? And to give you an idea of the layout. So straight ahead from the stairs, coming up, is one of the en-suites. Now look at the big bedroom. I know it's hard to tell from the video, but this is a big bedroom. Again, look at the beautiful wood floors. By the way, this home is priced really nicely, meaning I think it's a great price for this house and this square footage. You're gonna have to call or text me to get it. I'm like, you guys sure? That's a good price. Big bedroom, so perfect for teenagers. It's got area here for clothes. You could always add on some shelving. And then of course, you got this again as an ensuite. So you have toilet. Let's get over here so you don't have to look at me. Nice sink and, counter space. It's all the same quartz, the framed mirror. Plenty of space down here in your cabinets. And then ceramic tile flooring. And then this goes in, there's your linen closet. Nice shower, this heavy door. Same flooring as the master. Really pretty. And there's your little space for your shampoo. You're gonna see nice and neutral color scheme, so you can do whatever you'd like with it for your accent colors. So going up the stairs, we're gonna go to the right. This is the other ensuite to kind of keep you on target here. You can tell pretty much a flip-flop of the other bedroom. Big bedroom, a little bit different layout in this bedroom. And then here's the bath. Linen closet. This is got the pretty nice stained cabinets. Now this, I thought this was really cool. It's a different tile, but I really like it. It's like farmhouse look, right? Tell me if you like that tile. Drop a comment below what your favorite bathroom is. You're watching walkthrough videos. It's okay to comment like that. Now this window, 2 things. If you're a lady, probably a man or a lady, I'm getting a blind here. One of those water resistant blinds, right? You definitely are, for sure. But it's up to my neck, pretty much, because this does step down. So if you're wondering, yes, I'd get a blind or a shutter there. But I think it's a cool shower. All right, so let's go this way. And now we're going to see the closet. This is the other walk-in closet. This one's a little bit bigger than the other one. So walk-in closet here. And now we're gonna go to the Jack and Jill. But before we do that, we're gonna see the, how you doing? We're gonna see the laundry room, which is right here. Nice sized laundry room. Plenty of cabinets. Goodness sakes, look at all those cabinets. Folding table area, sink, full-size washer, dryer. You've got your natural light here. And then, as you've probably seen from some other videos, if you've watched this channel for any length of time, here's all your cable, your service providers for your internet, your Ethernet, your cables. Wherever you get your Wi-Fi, your router, your service provider, they can plug everything in right here. Here's your plug. They can set your equipment right here. It's beautiful and clean. There's your security system box too. All right, so this is gonna be the Jack and Jill. What a cool bedroom with all the natural light. This is overlooking the front. So by the way, this is facing north, north, slightly east. But north is straight that way, so slightly northeast, because it's on the curb. And then this is great. This is great for small kids because they could share a bathroom, closet, and then here's the shared bathroom. You have a double sink, plenty of counter space. Such a great layout. And then right here it goes to the other bedroom. And again, you've got doors so you can close it off for either bedroom. Now this has, again, probably for younger kids, tub shower combination. And this goes all the way up to the ceiling. Again, it's so modern, clean, great look. They did a fantastic job. All of Hulbert's contractors are just great. They're quality work. And so let's go back this way. So taking a left, this is the other bedroom. I can show you the other angle too. And then this is the closet for this bedroom. So they all have walk-in closets. Plenty of shelving space here. All right, so I think you have an idea. This is coming right up the stairs. So you've got ensuite, Jack and Jill laundry room. And this is from this angle. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. And we have another home going up right now. I can tell you about that, or if you'd like to build with Hulbert Home, I can get that coordinated with you. My name is Brian Stevens, and we also have other properties all over Polk County in the Central Florida area that we can tell you about. If you'd like some more information on this home or like a private tour, feel free to book it through the calculated link below. And I hope you have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. This one has been a fun one to tour. Did you enjoy this? I hope you did. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button. Whenever I do more walkthrough videos like this, gorgeous home, or any other properties we've got, you'll get notified, and then you can enjoy these tours also. And I also post valuable content on selling your home, purchasing a home anywhere in Central Florida. Myself and my team would love to help you. All my contact information is below. Thank you so much for joining. God bless.